course I can. Mind your business, I'll mind mine. I'm narrating to my audience. Shush. Shh.
You clearly know the law, so I'm giving you the benefit of the doubt that you don't know the law by giving you a warning.
What are you guys doing? You guys not getting training? You guys don't know how to deal with, First Amendment rights and those sort of things?
Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. In mid-August of 2022, Josh from Accountability for All and Banana Anna were driving through Pittsburgh, California, when they noticed a traffic stop in progress conducted by the Pittsburgh police. As the officers removed the occupants of the vehicle and conducted Terry pat-downs, Josh and Anna filmed the incident, making sure they stood at a safe distance as to not intervene.
We're good, man. Do your thing. Don't worry about us, man.
We're not bothering anybody.
I'm telling you.
We're not obstructing. We're within the footage. Just do your thing, man. Don't talk to me.
Hey, y'all don't got to record. I'm good. I don't got nothing.
That's great. Sounds good.
As the officers remove the driver and passenger for what appears to be a consensual search, the supervising officer on scene, Corporal Holler, takes issue with Josh and Anna. But before we continue, I want to show you the last wallet you'll ever buy. Extra reimagined the traditional wallet with a totally new style, and they've made it even harder to lose. Extra wallets are a sleek, minimalist design made with high quality leather, aluminum, or carbon fiber that holds up to 12 cards and cash with the click of a button. They have built-in RFID protection and a solar-powered tracking device that uses a two-way ring system to deliver separation alerts and track the wallet's location. And if you don't want to use their tracker, they even make wallets that hold Apple's AirTags. I just got their key holder and key tracker too, so I'll be able to find them if I leave them somewhere by mistake. I've used a few styles, but my favorites are the Parliament, which has room for 12 cards, cash, and a pocket for the tracker or tool card. But I also like the modular bifold. It has a removable, magnetic card holder, so if you don't need to carry everything, remove the insert and take what you need. Their Labor Day sale is live now, where you can save up to 25% on your order if you use my link and code at checkout, LackLuster. So use my link in the description or pinned comment and get yours today. And now, back to the video. While the officers get ready to search the detained vehicle, Josh notices Corporal Haller's computer is open, displaying information about the current incident.
Oh, he left his computer open.
Hey, listen, bud. Hey, you cannot record that computer.
Of course I can.
No, you cannot.
It's public.
No, it's not public.
Of course it is.
Private information.
It's public.
It's actually against the law.
It's not against the law. You have to create privacy.
Okay.
See you later, buddy.
Listen, it's very simple.
Mind your business, I'll mind mine.
I am.
Okay, go back to your
Personal
job.
information on there that
You
are
have to
recording.
create privacy. There's no expectation. You can't trespass my eyes.
Yeah, okay.
It is okay. That's why you're taking that walk. Enjoy that walk. It's called the walk of shame. Keep doing it all day as long as I'm in town. See you never. That's how that works.
The supervising officer on scene shuts his laptop after telling Josh it's illegal to record it, without providing a statute or code concerning it, and Josh continues to film the interior of the cruiser. The duty to create privacy lies with the custodian of sensitive information. For example, if the officer's computer was open and had a person's information displayed, and a Google Maps vehicle passed by and happened to take a picture of the information, legible or not, there is no law that states that that would be illegal, for if in fact you let your dingle-dangle-dangle in the dirt, it is your fault if someone sees it. And despite Corporal Haller's training, he doubles down, now attempting to appear considerate by only issuing an unofficial warning to Josh, but for what law he cannot cite.
This guy doesn't like transparency.
No, he doesn't. He's not even aware of the law. He thinks you
No.
can't record inside of his vehicle and stuff. I'm narrating to my audience. Shush. Shh. Shh.
I'm gonna keep talking.
Shh. Stop interrupting me. I'm talking to my
You
audience.
clearly know the law, correct?
Of course.
You know that you can't be recording that.
Of
That's
course
why
I
you
can.
Okay, you can.
I can.
You
It's
okay.
100. You might
Here's
not
the
like
point.
it,
Here's
but
the
it's
point.
legal.
You clearly know the law, so I'm giving you the benefit of the doubt that you don't know the law by giving you a warning.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Okay?
It's not a warning.
So
it's
listen-
legal.
no,
I
it's
do
not.
this all over
No,
the country. It
that's
is.
good.
Name the law.
That's good. Okay.
Name the law.
So here's the deal. You do that again, you will be placed
Name-
under arrest.
name the law.
You understand what I'm saying?
Name the law.
I just told you.
Name the
Give you a
law.
fair warning,
Why don't you
right?
give me a supervisor?
Awesome.
Name the
You want
law.
my supervisor?
Yeah, supervisor would be
Name
great.
the law. What can you tell me what law it is?
You need to catch yourself up on the law, sir.
If you're in reference to the Sunshine Act and you're talking about any radio transmission, you guys have to protect people's private information. That's why California stopped using a lot of the radio traffic, but there's no expectation of privacy in public. I can film anything on that screen whenever I want.
What Josh is referring to is a decision in 2018, where the Eastern Riverside County Interoperable Communications Authority voted to turn off media access to police radio frequencies by encrypting the signals, claiming it to be a matter of privacy. This would have made it decidedly more difficult to hold police accountable, as the media would really only know of incidents if citizens caught them on film or if law enforcement agencies happened to report the incidents to the public. It was a strange move, as law enforcement already had encrypted channels that only authorized personnel had access to for criminal justice purposes, such as DMV and FBI databases. Fortunately, in June of 2022, the California Senate passed a bill to restore public access to police radio traffic, giving back the citizens real-time access to emergency information.
So I can film in his vehicle but not yours because you have private information that you failed to protect. There is no law saying I can't film that vehicle.
Straight up tyrants.
No idea what you're talking about, buddy. Can you tell me the law, man?
No, he can't tell you the
Hold
law.
on. Is it a California penal code? Is it case law? Is it precedence? What is it that you're referring to, man? 'Cause I'm willing to go over jail over not breaking the law. That's okay. Someone's gonna get educated today, man. And I guarantee you that you're about to find out that there is no law referring to that.
Eventually, the officers released the couple and exchanged fist bumps for stopping his travels and searching his vehicle.
Have a good day, man. Never give consent for them to search a vehicle, man. Hey, Corporal, can you just tell me which law that is?
Yeah, it's in the California Penal Code.
I had you looking in the wrong section. How could I be so stupid?
Which California penal code is that? It's not. I'm just telling you.
I am.
Okay, so is my attorney incorrect then?
Yes, you're.
Because I contacted an attorney here locally. Now this is covered by the SJC.
Hey, we're not gonna have this conversation.
Is this a new
anymore.
law?
We're not having this conversation anymore.
Well, we are, because you're telling me you can arrest me for something that doesn't exist. I mean, I'd love for you to try. I'm willing to take that ride. You have,
Hey, have a good day. Okay?
hey, God bless the blue.
Awesome.
Back the blue. Back the blue. Thank you for your bravery. You're so brave. You're also very handsome. Keep up the great work. Thank you, Corporal Haller.
Bye, sir. Have a good day.
Thank you. Say hello to Bay Area Transparency. See, he says hello. Your earpieces are so cool, but not as cool as Corporal Haller. But you're a tall guy, though. How tall are you?
He gave the princess.
I didn't know they stacked that high, Corporal Haller. And we're still filming in the vehicle, so it's like that law didn't work too well.
After the encounter, Josh called Sergeant Thompson of the Pittsburgh Police Department to inquire about the issue and was reaffirmed that filming the inside of a police cruiser from a public sidewalk is not illegal. The next day, Josh and Anna went to the Law Enforcement Training Center in Pittsburgh and asked a few questions about their academy.
You see it all the time. You see it on the videos, and like, and not to bash others, but at the same time, you know, you realize, what are you guys doing? You guys not getting training. You guys don't know how to deal with, you know, First Amendment rights and those sort of things. So I mean, it's not really an issue, because when you know what people can and can't do and your authority, it makes everything easy. When you don't know is when you fall in, you know, that trap of trouble.
Yeah.
Like, you don't know what you're talking about.
I had met an officer yesterday, and we were just filming the inside of his vehicle from the sidewalk. He's like, that's against California Penal Code. I was like, the plain view doctrine, buddy. Like, you can look inside my vehicle to find anything for probable cause or a reasonable articulable suspicion. Now I can't film yours. Like, oh, my computer screen is private information. I was like, then stop arguing with me and making yourself viral. Close the computer screen. Like, it's really that simple. Because I approach the same thing every way. I'm super nice. I really don't get involved. And then if I have to, like, you know, defend myself verbally, I will. But I think that's where we can have some discourse. Do you guys ever train your recruits in, like, what we're doing? Like, if you should ever see an auditor or an activist, you do? Okay.
Not specifically towards the auditor type of
Just anybody
platform,
with a camera.
but we do do some scenario trainings on post mandates us to do certain scenario trainings, right? One is like suspicious persons contact. Another one is just making regular contact with individuals. So they have to understand the difference between a consensual encounter and a detention. And sometimes we pose them a scenario. Well, what if you have someone that's filming? Like, and where are they? Like, can they legally be there? Then you're in the open. There's no expectation of privacy, and they are free to leave. So we do teach them those differences.
It's amazing that despite the availability of the information and how long it has been clearly established, that we still find officers, some in leadership positions, that still don't understand the most basic protections of our civil rights. A big thanks to Exter for sponsoring this video. Be sure to check out their wallets using the links below, and use code LackLuster at checkout, and be sure to pay Josh and Anna a visit. All links will be in the description and pinned comment. Be sure to let them know that I sent you. As always, thanks for watching. If you have a video you'd like to submit for review, use the link in the description or pinned comment. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification for future content. And remember to like, share, and comment down below of what you think of this interaction. It really helps the channel. If you enjoy our content, try our other channels, LackLuster Limited for criminal psychology content, and The Odd Side for paranormal videos. Shirts and other merchandise are available at the Teespring store. Memberships start at just $1 if you'd like to help further support the channel and get a slick Lack logo next to your name. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. All links are down below.